just dropped.
Pros and cons, FBA versus a brick and mortar. So brick and mortar stores do offer a tangible and immersive shopping experience, and customers can physically interact with the products. They can evaluate the quality, and they can even ask, some of the employees there for their feedback. Brick and mortar stores also offer instant gratification so that you don't have to wait for deliveries. But the con is they're limited. You have to hope that the store that you're going to actually has what you're looking for. And if they don't have it, then you have to keep on looking until you find it, if you find it. Now the thing is, Amazon, it solves the problem. The best shoppers, they know what they're looking for. People are going straight to Amazon, they're searching for exactly what they're looking for. They can compare prices across the board. For the digital shopper, this is the best place to be, and it's so convenient. Look, I'm not over here working for Amazon. It's just that, look, when you order something Prime, it's showing up, the next day, it's quality, you know what you're dealing with. If you can actually partner up with Amazon and make some money at the same time, that's a win for sure. And so that's why getting your own Amazon store and doing FBA is such a great thing, because you get to take advantage of a market that's already there. You don't have to create it. There's hundreds of millions of people going to Amazon.com looking for everything that they need, and you can be the person who's selling those products and delivering those products and giving the people what they need. Get started selling on Amazon FBA and go get a win. Let's go.